Hello, you can contact me for installing SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 on your computer. You can also contact me for installing S4 HANA 1809 or 1909 with FIORI in it. Say for example, this is your SAP ECC6 server, or it can be SAP S4 HANA server, and clients can connect to the server from your local area network, or clients can connect to the server from anywhere in the world through the SAP GUI. Say for example, this client is in the UK, this client is in Australia, this client is in France. From anywhere in the world they can connect to this SAP server. In this way, if you want to set up your SAP ECC6 server or SAP S4 HANA server with remote access facility, you can contact me. You can also contact me for setting up your SAP IDES ECC6 server on Amazon Web Services. Any type of network setup, you can contact me. Thank you for watching the video.